It's a LG 3-door French refrigerator. They have knock-on lights, chillers work. The only problem is the freezer. The compressor is not working no more. It costs you 500 to repair it. So this one I is selling it for parts for 80 bucks. So I just told you from the first video that I show you, my LG French door 3-door, they only last for more or less 6 years. So when you ask for the warranty for the linear compressor, that said is 10 years, but on the top of that 10 years you need to get out of the pocket like almost $500 to fix it. They're gonna send some technician to send to your house, and you need to pay that in upfront. They're gonna change everything, like the compressor, whatever is the damage, they're gonna change it, but you need to pay $500 less. That's include the tax. That's the estimate of that fix. So that's why it end up buy this with freezer and rep. The freezer at the top and refrigerator is in a very underneath. I want this one design because it's wide, and the brand is GE. So I'm not gonna get that LG no more because I have a bad experience. Supposed to be, if they give you a warranty, you don't need to pay because it's positive. The compressor is the one who have damage, but I need to pay that in the front. So I just get this one. That's the date. First use July 2, 2025. I get it for, to be exact, included the delivery to your house, 788.06. That's exactly the one you need to pay. That's the emblem General Electric. The door you can move from left to right, so it depends what do you prepare. But the one we have, it's better to this one. They have a very good access, and it's a very good, like a very strong magnet too. You can tell they have a good seal. And I just want to let you guys, before you put everything, your groceries, you need to balance it out. This portion here in the very bottom, you see that one you need to increase or twist it in the right or the left, so whatever you prepare. So this one is a little bit low and it's misaligned. That's why I put this one up to make it even. Now is even now. It's not shaky no more. So that's very good to very good design. And the gaps, it's a little big, so you can put some stuff there. I balance it out in the right side too. I make it even, and I already put some decoration of liquor there. And that's my wife of collection of magnets. So I already put this ice for 24 hours. Now it's solid. So it's there. So we just get this one. That's why we don't have that much meat on it. But I tell you, it's tons of space. The LG, it's automatic. As soon as you plug in it, automatically on. If you're out of the power, there's no way to switch it down or put it in up. This one is a garage ready, dual temperature. That's the one I like. So recommended is 3. That's why I put some 3 there. The hinges stick, very solid. And I show you the underneath. They have some tons of space too. Look at the door. A lot of shelves there. And this is the one that number one good there. This one is movable from left to right. So you can put stuff here. The 1 gallon of milk is gonna fit here. And that's the upper part. This one is the toggle for the light. It's LED. And this is the one I like. If something's wrong or you don't have electricity, you can put this one up. So you're not gonna break your rep. The reason why maybe my old rep is broken because of that. Sometimes the light is flickering, most especially if they have heavy rain or windy. Sometimes it's shut out by itself. So if you ask me if I suggest to buy this one, yeah, I think this kind of a basic rep like this is less than the one that they have a lot of electronics. I'm not gonna buy the one that they have access of water here and ice. That's the last one. I'm not gonna get the one no more. And this one, they have some access to, if you want to put some ice maker kit, that's the access there. You can put the 2 screw there, remove this one, and put the accessories there. And they have included, when you buy in the box, they have included a hose, and you can just hook it in back. It's very basic to do it. You can just follow the manual, and they have a very little manual too. So most of the manual now you can do it online. I already registered this one online. Sorry to say, it's only 1 year warranty. That's the only warranty of this unit. So hopefully this one's last. Just I tell you, my LG is only almost 6 years. Hopefully this one is more, because I just get the basic one. And the pretty, how it sounds, it's decent. It's not too loud when the compressors click, so it's not gonna wake you up. So that's the part there. I put some plastic too to make it clean, and I put a little bit of space right there too to circulate the air. So don't put all the way in the wall, so just give some space too. So give you power back again. And here's the big door for the freezer. A lot of moist, and you can tell it's very cold. It's they call it really quick. So big there, positive too. When you closed it, it stick right away. And this is the access. If you put the door to the other left, they have some ready screw there, but I prepared the access in the left and going to the right, so that I use this one as a stopper, so you can remove this one easily. You can access. I put some water there, so I don't have that much grocery because I just my iDrip is just broke, so that's the only I have now. So if you can see, it's a lot of magnets there. And I think that'll be it. So if you have some question about this one, I'm not the expert, but I try to answer if I can. So to my experience, now I have this one for 2 days. I'm happy. So you can tell it's like very solid. The number one I like is very wide. And the side too is like from there to here is like let's measure it to be exact. So depth, it's 33.5. So that include the handle. And the wide, it's just want to make sure that I give you the right size. The actual, it's 32.5. And height wise, and that's the height. Sometimes the manual is not give you the right size there. So exactly 66.18. That's the height from the bottom part all the way to the top. And if you try to this one to get some in Amazon, sometimes it's not popping up. You cannot get it. The only you can get this one, they have stock in Lowe's, but I don't see stock in Home Depot or either in a Best Buy. That's why I order it personally in Lowe's. You can order in Home Depot or Best Buy, but it's gonna be take a while. This one I get it the next day. They have 3 colors: slate, white, and black. They don't have stock the slate, but I find out the white is more clean, and they still have lamination there, plastic lamination. I never remove it to keep it new, so I just leave it like that. The color is like flat, but it's in the sides a little bit shiny, and there's a texture on it, and this one is very smooth. So I'm not gonna remove the plastic cover to keep it new, the seal, and I already stick this one. I removed the double adhesive tape. Now it's fixed, the emblem, and I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. If you have some question, you free to ask, so I just try my best to answer it. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Just the quick look on this one, so that you have the idea if you want to buy it. Bye-bye. Thanks. Goodbye.